Hi Leo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Leo. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Leo, please? Oh. Okay. Leo. Damage. We are both hurting from this. Okay? May mga issues sa inyong relationship na kailangan ayusin, i-fix. Okay? Meant, I want to fix our connection. Okay? Something is wrong sa relationship ninyo, Leo. May mga kailangan meron kailangang clarity or clarification sa sitwasyon. Gossip. I am afraid of what other people will think. Merong ganun. Okay? Values. We have too many differences. Okay? Hindi pagkakaunawaan. You're not seeing eye to eye with your person, Leo. Or this is the other way around. May disalignment. Okay? Disalignment. Okay? Merong discord. Okay. But someone wants to fix. Someone is not giving up. Someone is not giving up on the connection. Okay. Okay. Gusto niyang ayusin kung ano man yung diferensya, kung ano yung issue about sa relationship ninyo. Tingnan natin. Leo, messages about love and romance. Okay. So, may kailangan i-nurture ang inyong relationship, okay? Somebody wants to improve the relationship. Someone is expecting na maging maayos, merong patutunguhan ang relasyon ninyo, Leo. Okay? Mahal ka ng person mo, pero hindi lang siya ganun ka-expressive. Gusto niya i-express mo din kung ano yung gusto mo, ano yung plans mo sa kanya, Leo. Your person wants to have a conversation with you about this thing. Yung hindi niya ma-express verbally. Okay. Gusto niya makipagkita sa'yo, makipag-usap. Okay? And i-discuss ninyo kung paano ma-improve ang inyong situation, plans for the future. Your person feels na parang masyado ka nang nag-enjoy sa pagiging single. Okay. Siguro kailangan ng plano, okay, about sa situation nyo. Anong direction. Okay. About sa inyong dalawa na mapapag-usapan. Okay. And ito yung dinidesire ng person ninyo, Leo. Okay. Yeah. You feel na yung person nyo ngayon, parang ina-accept niya lang kung ano yung current situation. Parang ina-adapt, sinusustain, or para ma-maintain lang ang situation. So, kailangan niya i-adapt kung ano yung meron kayo ngayon. Okay? But deep inside, gusto niya merong plano or direction, parang klaro sa kanya kung ano ba talaga. Okay? Yung plans mo sa kanya, Leo. Yeah. But you are also willing kung ano man ang mga hindi magandang habits na ginagawa ninyo, you are willing to change, to improve, or to better the relationship. Leo. Yeah. Kailangan ng pag-uusap, communication, alignment sa inyong ginagawa. Couple goals. Ano yung couple goals ninyo? Okay? Yeah. Kailangan ng pag-uusap, exciting plans for the future. Ano? Okay? Ano yung direction? Kailangan ng excitement ang relationship. Yeah. Surprises. May kailangan baguhin. Important change sa situation, sa relasyon ninyo. Ayan. There is fear, doubts at the same time. Okay? Okay. Tingnan natin. Yeah. Yeah. Your person wants to move things forward with you. Maintain it. Okay? Hanggang sa magkaroon ng clarification na manggagaling sa inyo, Leo. Okay? Just take what resonates. Pwedeng it's the other way around. Okay? Parang gusto ng person yung mas malalim na connection or growth, spiritual, physical connection, something like that. Okay? Parang may kailangan i-break na pattern sa relationship nyo. Siguro yung boredom, parang wala ng excitement, okay? But you are willing, Leo, to do it. Kung anong gusto ng person mo, siguro kailangan lang din ng pag-uusap, honesty sa nararamdaman sa isa't isa. Okay? Look at 9 of Pentacles. Maybe you are too busy, Leo. Your person thinks na parang, yes, parang wala kang plans. Gusto mo lang na solo or, making money. Parang nakafocus ka lang sa ganyan. And nawawala na yung spiritual bonding and physical bonding or connection ninyo sa relationship. Yeah, Ace of Cups. So, yeah. Your person feels na kailangan ng commitment sa inyong relationship. Okay? Kailangan mo rin ipadama, i-express sa kanya kung ano ang nararamdaman mo, Leo. Okay? Or maybe this is the other way around, depende sa inyong situation. Queen of Cups. Yeah. Gusto ng financial, gusto ng emotional security ng person mo, Leo. Ang intention niya is mahalin ka, magkaroon ng mutual understanding, in a emotional level, okay? Yeah, your person feels na parang okay ka na sa sitwasyon mo, sa ganitong sitwasyon. You are financially secured, financially independent, okay? And you're okay with that. Parang kulang ng pagmamahal, kulang ng give and take, or mutual feeling sa isa't isa. So, merong ganong concern or problem. But your person, mahal ka ng person mo. He or she, parang malalim na, no? Yung connection ninyo, yung relasyon ninyo, matagal na. Okay. Yeah, King and Queen of Cups. Parang gusto ng person mo, same level ng pagmamahal, same level ng kanyang pagmamahal ang nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Okay? Parang maybe your person feels na mas mahal ka niya kaysa ikaw sa kanya. Okay? Yeah, Ace of Pentacles, commitment. Yeah. Okay. Your person feels na parang kailangan nyo mag-usap about commitment, about home, about i-seal na ang inyong relationship. Okay? I-cement. Going na dapat sa next level. Ano yung gusto niya mag-level up ang inyong relationship or mag-step up ka, Leo. Okay? Maybe this is the other way around also. Just take what resonates for you, Leo. Your person wants this relationship. Gusto niya i-maintain to. But at the same time, gusto niya mag-level up din or mag-step up ka, Leo. Or your person wants to step up. Okay. The Hangman. Yeah. Commitment, plans. For some of you, you are in a long distance relationship. Okay. So, kailangan ng confirmation long term, no, about sa inyong relationship. Long-term plans. Okay. You feel that kailangan din ng long-term plans about sa relationship nyo. So, kailangan lang talaga ng pag-uusap and transparency. Okay. Yeah. You're willing na makipag-compromise sa person mo kung ito yung gusto niya. Yes, Two of Cups. So, gusto talaga ng person mo na parang ito yung kulang, yung emotional and spiritual growth sa relationship. Kailangan ng mag-step up, okay? I-break na yung mga hindi maganda or boring patterns in the relationship, Leo. Gusto ng person mo, merong pagkakaunawaan, understanding, you are on the same page, pareho kayo ng direksyon, okay? So, kailangan ng expression ng ganun. Yeah. Yeah, so both of you will be open sa mga possibilities kung ano man ang mapapag-usapan ninyo, okay? So, kailangan lang din ng patience sa inyong situation. Keep nurturing, keep growing the relationship, Leo. Ito yung kailangan, okay? Commitment, direction, seeing eye to eye, or you kailangan on the same page kayong dalawa kasi gusto ng person mo din, yung intention lang is parang pareho kayo ng level ng nararamdaman. Okay? Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, kailangan ng action. Ano yung next level? Ano yung next step in the situation? So, kailangan parang mapag-uusapan yung security and stability. Kung ano yung magiging, kung ano yung mapupuntahan ng relasyon. Okay? Yeah. Maybe it's high time na pag-usapan na rin talaga at gumawa ng action. Mabagal man, at least merong action kahit papano. Okay? Kailangan ng planning sa inyong relationship. Okay? Planning, pag-uusap, being expressive sa nararamdaman. Okay? Ano yung goals ninyong dalawa? Leo. So for some of you, and Pentacles, Queen of Cups. For some of you, you are dealing with an earth sign. Okay. Yeah, Aquarius. Queen of Cups, water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Yes. Okay. So, kailangan ng change. Important change, significant change sa relationship. Step up, level up. Okay. But you are also willing kung ano yung gusto ng person ninyo. You are willing na makipag-compromise. Okay. Need ng long-term plans about the future. Magagawa mo yun, Scorpio. So, kailangan lang ng open up. Yes. So, just take what resonates for you, Leo. Yeah, Scorpio. I mentioned Scorpio. Maybe you are connecting with a water sign, Scorpio. You're dealing with that person. Okay? Okay. There is hope. There is financial abundance in the relationship. Matagal na rin yung relationship ninyo. So, financial freedom, stability, meron. For some of you, nag-grow na ang inyong relationship when it comes to home, finances, okay? That is for some of you. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, your person, mayroong good news na i-share sa inyo about finance, about money. Okay, significant money. New contracts, okay? And you, Scorpio, yeah, you are financially independent and secure. Maybe sinashower ninyo ang person ninyo, Leo, with material things na po-provide ninyo. Okay? So, there is love. Future plans needed. Exciting plans. Yeah. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano pa yung mga additional message for Leo. Leo. Close your eyes and tell yourself that you deserve to feel joyful. You can allow joy into your life regardless of the circumstances you currently find yourself in. Freedom. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. When it comes to matters of the heart, there is no right or wrong. Every choice you make expands your understanding of life and love. Okay, so these are the messages for you, Leo. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!